Hey everybody, you are looking live on tape from another gorgeous day here in Central Florida. Today I'm coming to you live on tape from Epcot. Today, my plan, or my goal, is to ride Remy's Adventure single rider. That's right, you heard it here. Seeing some internet talk about Remy offering a single rider. Today I'm going to find out, A, is that true? B, how long does it take? And C, is there any differences between Remy's Ratatouille Adventure the normal way and the single rider way? Should be interesting. Park's not super crowded. It's still kind of early. It's a little bit before noon. Weather is fantastic, about 75 degrees. Today I'm wearing the Partners hat by Nike, the old school 50th anniversary Nike polo, and the, of course, Partners Magic Band. Thanks for joining me. I'm glad you did. Let's get to it. Need to buy me a souvenir, something small. Let me get 2 of these. You ever seen snow in Florida? I have. So as you see, pretty mild day. Like I said, it's still pretty early. Epcot's usually a later arriving crowd, but I mean, this is super manageable. In fact, when I popped into Norway to look at some stuff, and Frozen was only 25 minutes. That's unheard of. But as I left the shop, it had already climbed to 35 minutes. So it generally hovers around the 45 mark, I've noticed lately. Unless it's really busy, it'll get up to 60, 65. The most I've ever seen it was like, I believe 90, and it was lined up all the way to China, and we are just now leaving China. That's how long that line was, but I've only seen that once. So I am seeing signage for single rider. I've only ridden this attraction like maybe 4 times. Alright, normal time is 40 for regular standby, and single rider is listed as 0 or no wait. So I'm gonna hop in and check this out.
35 minutes.
I'm not gonna time it. We'll just do an experiment. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Well, just now I'm seeing people.
Hey, it's me, Emil. You know, Remy's brother. Your safety. These remains
This?
throughout your adventure.
Okay.
Your hands, arms,
Yes, please.
and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
Literally walk on. That is insane. I'm trying to think if that's the
Can I have 3 single riders and number 3? 1 single rider, number 3. Number 3 is blue. Number 3, number 4 this way, and number 4 as well. Il y a un groupe 12 avec les filles qui arrivent.
That is worth it. Look at this. That's amazing. Literal walk-on.
Donne-leur la barre, please.
Trying to think if that's the fastest single rider I've ever done in my career. It very possibly could be. Again, stand by 45 minutes and we just walked on.
Suivez-moi, je vous prie. The chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what do you hear? Huh? What are I there? Coco? No. A simple omelet? Too simple.
What?
Mais oui, that's it. What are you doing? Que manigocez-vous? Out of my way! bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino.
Never for you, right this way. You are always welcome and bistro chef.
But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for joining me. I'm glad you did. If you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit like and subscribe. And if you hated what you saw today, blame that mop water that got me wet on Remy's Ratatouille adventure. As always, folks, keep the parks clean.